I don't know how Amol sir ignited that fire inside me.
I have become very confident person.
Slowly and gradually, I'm now prioritizing myself.
There are a lot of changes happened in the past 3 months. I took your learning and implemented there, and I got instant results.
You are teaching people to be mentally fit, to be physically fit, to be emotionally, spiritually, and every way to be fit and fitter.
Every day you wake up at 5 o'clock, you do your morning rituals, you do gratitude, visualization, affirmation, you do self-love. 2 hours every morning you're spending time with yourself.
तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चली है, अब आगे और कितना पढ़ना है या मैं क्या क्या कर सकती हूँ, बहुत सारी चीज़ें क्लियर हुई। स्पेशली 6 महीने के गोल्स और उसका रोड मैप तैयार हो गया है। अब ये पता है कि यहाँ से जाने के बाद क्या करना है।
Seeing his face, I usually open my eyes to see his face, his expression, how with so much belief, and he's telling those words. So that was the thing. I was very much impressed by that, and I thought that I won't leave this. Now I will not look back. Now I have to continue. It will, with all my heart and soul, I have to do this program. I can't go back in my those that stuck state. Now I have to move forward.
I joined this 90-day program wherein I wanted to focus on areas of spokes of life which I had been wanting to do, but then I was not able to do. And fortunately, in this program, I learned many new initiatives, many new techniques, starting with gratitude and incantations, beliefs, powerful beliefs.
यू नो रॉकेट आगे कब जाता है तो पीछे आग लगी होती है, वो आग ज़रूरी होती है। बट मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये था कि फायर नहीं था एंड स्टैग्नेंसी वाज किलिंग मी। आई एम क्वाइट एम्बिशियस बाय नेचर एंड एज दे से दैट परफेक्शन इज अ मिथ, प्रोग्रेस इज सक्सेस। आई हैव बीन राइटिंग पोएम्स फॉर 15 years, पब्लिश अभी भी। दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ MRM।